You might hear an echo, but yeah. So basically, I'm gonna be doing a video. It's like reviewing the Bold Hold Active, because that's what I used to lay my wig down. And I had this wig on for, let me see, 5 days. So the wigs, like my wigs stay on for a good time. Like I could put it up in like a ponytail and the sides are not lifting up or anything. Like it's still perfectly fine. I'm gonna pull it really hard. Okay, so
I'm screaming. I'm so sorry about chewing the gum so loud. Sorry.
Yeah, it's pretty good still. Like hair could be sewn down, but for the most part it's really good. I just want to see if, because I'm going to detangle this hair. This hair is from Julia Hair. This hair is really amazing actually. It looks crazy because I stuck with it in a ponytail, well, a bun. So it looks crazy, but I'm going to show you guys how I detangle and remove my units safely. I just want to see, since it says that the Bold Hold Active is water resistant, I want to see if it works. Normally the Bold Hold does not work for me, but surprisingly the Active like is staying on really well. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I put this unit on, comment that in the comment section below. If you would like this type of videos, tell me that as well. So now I'm just gonna detangle my hair, and I'm not gonna tie it down. Normally I tie my hair down to keep it from lifting up, just from me being paranoid of it lifting up. But the Bold Hold Active says that it's waterproof, water resistant, whatever. So I'm just gonna detangle my hair without tying it down. I'm not gonna like drench it, but let's see if it's gonna lift up. And if it lifts up, I'm gonna be so disappointed. So yeah, all I do is I just part it down the middle, and you see how big it looks. It looks crazy. And I'm gonna turn this way and down. So I'm gonna do half of my head first and then the other half. So all I'm gonna do is put this out of the way. I'm also using this. My conditioner is finished, but I'm just using this because I need to wash this hair as well.
Okay guys, so I'm speeding this video up, and that's only because the water was falling and I did not want to do too much editing to this part, so you guys can see how easy it is to detangle this hair. This hair is from Julia Hair, by the way. I'm going to have all the links in the description box if you guys want to see anything about this hair. But this hair is actually amazing. I love some curly hair, and this hair gives me natural hair vibes. Like, it's so easy to maintain. It looks great in a braid out. Tell me if you guys want to see my braid out video. Comment that in the comment section as well. Tell me if you guys tried this Bold Hold glue, all that. Like, this hair is amazing. The lace is thin. This is a wig I made myself, so it's gonna come in bundles. This is not a wig from the company. This is just bundles and a frontal. I don't know if I said that, but just making sure that you guys know this is not a wig. I made this myself. If you guys want to get a wig made, my email will be in the description box. So check my description box and you can email me to get you a wig made. Oh yeah. So all I'm doing here is just detangling. It's really easy. When I have the hair under the water, I detangle with my fingers, and then I just come out and I detangle with this white tooth comb. You can find this comb at your beauty store or anywhere. And you see how quick and easy that was. And look, minimal shedding. The hair sheds a little bit, but that's only when I'm detangling, and it's a little bit. So yeah, then I'm gonna use my diamond brush to clump the curls together, and we're done. Like, this is so easy to maintain, literally when you're taking a shower, and then you're done. You do want to make sure that you're being gentle with it. Do not really rake through it. You can see on this side how it's really tangly, so you don't want to rake your fingers through it. You want to treat it the way you would treat your natural hair and detangle it from the bottom to the top. You don't really want to rake your fingers, because if you rake your fingers, it's going to pull the hair out, and that's not what we want. I was being a little bit lazy, but still, you want to take your time with this, and you're going to be done in a good like 5 to 7 minutes. So that's really low maintenance. And when you're done, I like to brush my hair going all the way back, and that's just because when I flip it on either side, it's going to lay. However, it's not going to have a defined part. That's not what I was going for. But yeah, I'm actually shook about this glue. I didn't even have to, I thought I was going to have to take my wig off because I thought the glue was going to lift up, but it didn't even lift up. And I don't know if I wet my face yet, but I wet my face to where I can wet the front of the frontal, because I know as soon as I do that, it's going to lift up, and it really didn't even lift up. Like, that's so crazy to me. But yeah, that's all I'm doing right here. I did go ahead and take a shower just to make it like marinate, if that makes sense, to see if it was going to lift up for real, and it didn't. Like, I'm so surprised. But yeah, you guys can just watch what I'm doing right here, and I'll be right back to tell you my review after I'm done taking a shower, because this actually surprised me, because Bold Hole was never like a glue that I wanted to buy, because I just felt like it was overhyped, and yeah, but it actually worked. They came back with this new formula, and it's actually really good, so I recommend it.
Alright, you guys, yes, Bold Hold Active is waterproof. Well, it's water resistant, so if you get water on it, it's not going to lift up. You can see it's a little bit white around the edges, so yeah, the edges are going to lift up a little bit, but for the most part, it's stuck. Even the sides are stuck down, and I'm actually shook because the regular Bold Hold would never ever do this for me. But the Bold Hold Active is approved for me. Tell me if you guys tried it and if it worked for you, or if it didn't. Just tell me tell me if you guys want to see how I installed this wig the proper way to have it stay like this, because it's been like 5 days, so I would expect it to lift up already, since like I've been paranoid tying it down every single time. I took a shower and everything, and it's not moving at all. So I will go back and lay down the baby hairs and tie the unit down, because I was gonna take it off if it lifted up, but it can still go a couple more days. I'm gonna tell you guys how long. I will come back and check the comment section in, like, let's see, today is the 12th, so I don't know when I will post this video, but if I post this video after like the 15th, check the comment section or the description, and I will have an update in the description or the comment section telling you how long this stayed on since I wet it and stuff. Like, this is actually crazy. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I guess I'm not going to be removing this unit yet, but tell me if you guys want to see a video on how my updated routine on removing my units properly and safely so I don't snatch my edges. Because I've been looking at a lot of video on the Bold Hold Active, and I wasn't sure if I should get it or not. But this is really, really good. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.